Hello, you're looking at my 2024 Suzuki Jimny, and today I'm going to show you how to change both clocks on this Suzuki Jimny. Okay, so the first clock to change is the one behind the steering wheel. Okay, the button is over here on the right hand side. Hold that in for about 5 seconds until the menu appears in the middle, and then all you need to do is turn that button around either clockwise or anti-clockwise until you get to the clock setting option in that dash. Oh, I've gone the wrong section. I'll go down. Oh, there we go, clock setting. Press the button in to select it, and then adjust clock is the next one. Press that in, and it's flashing on the hour hand. It's just a matter of turning that button around clockwise or anti-clockwise to adjust the clock. When you're happy, press it in, and the same with the minute. Spin it to adjust it. When you're happy, press it in, and the new time has been successfully saved. Okay, the next clock to change is in the middle of the dash, in that the top of that big screen in the middle of the dash. There it is up there, and to change that, all you need to do is press the settings in the bottom right hand corner and then press on clock, and there we go. There you've got the hour and the minute, and you can either go minus or plus the hour to change that to whatever is the correct time. And when you're happy with it, press the backspace key up in the top left hand corner, and back in the home key top right hand corner, and there we go, the new time has been saved. Okay, that's how you change the clocks on a Suzuki Jimny. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.